they all played noughts and crosses together on Toby's shiny shell.
Who needs a fancy swimming pool or a conservatory when you live in the best house in the whole world, right next door to all my friends?
And now, it's time to go back to your own bed in your own house.
Good night. Sweet dreams, everyone.
Sweet dreams, Lucy.
64, 64, 64 Zulu. 64, 64 Zulu.